Section 8. Pioneering a sustainable future. As the automotive industry shifts towards electrification and sustainability, Mercedes-Benz is leading the charge with its EQ brand. The EQ family of electric and hybrid vehicles represents Mercedes-Benz's commitment to creating a more sustainable future for mobility. The EQ range includes a variety of models, from the compact EQA SUV to the luxurious EQS sedan. These vehicles combine cutting-edge electric powertrains with luxurious interiors and advanced technology. Mercedes-Benz is investing heavily in electric vehicle infrastructure, including charging stations and battery production. The company aims to have a fully electric or plug-in hybrid option for every model in its lineup by 2025. With its commitment to sustainability and its history of innovation, Mercedes-Benz is well-positioned to lead the automotive industry into a new era of electric mobility. The EQ brand represents the future of Mercedes-Benz, a future where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand.